Hello students, standard 7 subject maths. Today we will start new chapter fractions and decimals. What are fractions and decimal? We have learnt in 5th 6th standard also. Again it has come in standard 7. We have learned separate chapter fraction and decimal, but together it has come in standard 7. So first we learn about fractions. So what are the points covered in the fraction C? Then we will see the decimals. So in fraction that I will give you introduction. What are fractions? Types of fractions. Then addition of like and unlike fraction. Then subtraction of like and unlike fractions. Multiplication of fractions. Division of fraction and simplest form last. These are the topics we are going to learn in the under the fraction. So see this flow chart. The same flow chart you have to draw in your CW, max CW. Okay, and then next topic we are going to learn is decimal. So in decimal I will give you introduction of decimal. What are decimal? Called greater and smaller decimal, multiplication of decimal by whole number and by 10, 100 and 1000, division of decimal by whole number and by 10, 100, 1000, and last conversion of meter into centimeter, kilometer into meter, and like and so on. So these are the topics we are going to learn in decimals, and these are the topics we are going to learn in fractions. So about fractions I will see here. What are fractions? Fractions are a part of a whole that we have learned. Suppose this is a whole triangle and we have parted it into two. So one I have shaded, so 1 upon 2. This we have learned in junior classes also, 4th and 5th 6th है ना. Again it has come. So these are the 1 upon 2, 2 upon 4, 6 upon 9 and so on. This if we are writing in the form of numerator and denominator, these numbers are called fractions. Okay, now types of fractions. First is proper fraction. What is proper fraction? If numerator is smaller than denominator, suppose 4 upon 9, so numerator, this is called numerator, this is called denominator. So numerator should always be smaller than denominator. It is called proper fraction. Okay, improper fraction, see here, opposite of proper fraction is improper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator. We will take this example only. See 4 upon 9 here, the 9 upon 4, opposite. 6 upon 3, 12 upon 7. Numerator should be greater than denominator. Next, third type is mixed fraction. If we are writing mixed fraction in like this, 4 integer 3 upon 6, the whole plus fraction. This is whole number, 4 is whole number, or you can take say integer, and 3 upon 6 is fraction. So if we are writing like this, and we have to say like 4 integer 3 upon 6, we have to say like this. Okay. Next is convert. We have to convert mix into improper, improper into mix. How to convert it? See here. Suppose if it is given 3 1 upon 2, 3 integer 1 upon 2. So what you have to do? 2 multiply by 3, and whatever answer you are getting, you have to plus it this number 1. So see here, 2 into 3 plus 1. So 2 into 3 what? 6, and plus 1 7, and whatever the denominator is given here in the fraction, that you have to write the same. Okay, this is improper fraction. If we want to convert into mixed fraction, so how you will do? See, 7 upon 2, we have to divide like this, 7 inside outside 2. So 2 into table, when 7 will come, 7 will not come, but which is the smaller than 7? 6. So 2 3s are 6. 7 minus 6 is what? 1. So how you will write? First you write 3 integer and in the form of 1 upon 2 fraction. 3 integer 1 upon 2. Okay, now Next topic is our addition of fraction. First we will see like fraction. See 6 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. See same number, this is called like fraction. If both the numbers are same, this fraction is called like fraction. Suppose if you want to add of this fraction, how you will write? 6 plus 3 upon 4. 4 you write down only one time. So 6 plus 3, 9 upon 4. Now addition of unlike fractions. See here. 2 upon 3 plus 4 upon 5 is given. Okay, this is the 3 and 5 are different number in the denominator, so these are called unlike fractions. Okay, so if we want to, if different numbers are given in the denominator, what we have to do, we have to make them same. So for that you have to do the denominator numbers, you have to do LCM. LCM we have learned how to do. Once again, see, I am explaining you. 3 and 5 LCM we have to take. So 3 and 5 in 3 table, when 3 will come, 1s are 5 will not come, so 5 as it is, 5 and 3 1 as it is, 5 1s are 5. So what are the numbers here? 3 into 5, the 15. Okay, so 15 is your LCM. Now what you have to do is, first number you have to take 2 upon 3 is equal to dash is equal to dash. Here what number you have to write? What LCM we have got. Okay, so in 3 table, when 15 will come, 5, so 3 5s are 15. The same 5 you have to write here and 2 as it is. So 2 5s are 10. Okay, this is our first number. Now second number, see, 4 upon 5 you take, dash is equal to dash. Here 15 you write down. In this 5 you have to write as it is. In 5 table, when 15 will come, 3, 5 3s are 15, and 4 into same number you have to take here. 4 this you have to take here. 4 3s are 12. Now first number, second number you add it. 10 upon 15 plus 12 upon 15. So what is 10 plus 12 upon 15? Only once you have to write. So 22 upon 15. Okay, now in subtraction also same rule you have to apply as addition and do subtraction. If like fractions are given, do like this. Okay, and if unlike are there, do LCM and do the subtraction. Now what comes? Multiplication of fractions by a whole number. In multiplication, what you have to see is, see, suppose if it is given 6 upon 4 into 3. Okay, so what rule you have to apply is, see, numerator denominator